The 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK Class. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized handling and performance with features such as heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and power seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you